Let's find out if this dustbin paper shredder is any good. It comes with these grooves on the left and right side. The width is 30 centimeters and fits perfectly in a bucket. And it's also expandable to around 40 centimeters. So I think it's a good size to fit in the bigger dustbin. And now we are going to check out these icons. The first one means that no paper clips. The second, no books go into there. And use less than 5 sheets. Be cautionary when using this machine. Do not wear a tie or jewelry. Do not put your fingers through the machine. And lastly, do not wear long hair when using the machine. And in the back side, more importantly, it has an intermittent operation, which is 2 minutes on and 60 minutes off. We'll see whether that is practicable, when we are going to use it. So the functions, it has an auto function, a forward function, and a backward function or a reverse function. So we're going to start by using the automatic function, which means that the machine is on and the only thing you do is try and put your paper through the slot and it shreds your paper. So the first attempt worked very well, as you can see. Now we are going to shred this card. We're going to try it there. Let's see whether it works. And clearly the automatic option has a problem, as I have already discovered while using this. You really have to search for the slot that will shred it automatically. And given that this machine has been in operation for a while, I received it from a friend, so maybe it's near the end of life, but it's still working, as you can see. Here we're going to shred this envelope paper. It's 2 sheets of brown paper, and I think I put it in the wrong angle. So when you're using it, avoid putting it in the wrong angle, otherwise it will get stuck. But if it gets stuck, you do not need to worry, because you can put it on the reverse function, then the forward function, and the paper will go through the slot and get shredded. And this is a very light paper, is a receipt, and we're still using the automatic function. As you can see, it's still not working as desired. And then here I just put it in the forward function just to force it into action, and it shredded the paper. So we're just going to try different kinds of paper, still trying to see whether the automatic function doesn't work. If it doesn't work, then you just switch to forward function and it just pulls the paper through. Well, I've been using it. I also discovered that maybe the problem might have been there is a blockage that is at the center. So when you put the paper through, like in that size, in the full size, then it doesn't go through because the machine need not to be blocked. So you can strip them into smaller bits like that and slide them through either side of the blocked part. And once you've sliced them into small pieces, as you can see, it becomes easier. Now I've shifted to the forward function because the auto function is not fully operational. And then now we're going to go ahead and try and unblock that middle part that had blocked. And in this case, I'm going to be using a pliers, a round nose pliers. Just go in there and pull out the paper that is clogging the machine. While you're doing this, make sure to unplug the machine from the power source. Otherwise, you get electrocuted. You can also use a small wire just by pushing through the slots. And while you're doing this, be sure not to damage the blades. Whichever tool you're using, just be careful. Then once we've done that, now we're going to see whether our machine is going to operate using the auto function as desired. So I sliced them into small pieces. So this is a carton paper. It's a heavier gauge than the others that we've been shredding, and the auto function did not work, so I've switched to the forward function, and as you can see, it's shredding as desired. Then I'm going to fold this into two, see whether it shreds. It works well. Then I'm now going to fold that into four parts, and it does shred, but it shreds slowly, but it does the work eventually. And then I went ahead and just did more shredding just to test the time. And while I was doing this, I realized that it shreds for more than the 2 minutes that has been written on the back side of the machine. So in that case, it shreds for longer, but it has a problem with the auto function. I don't know if a new machine works better, but that's a problem that I discovered that it has, and it blocks very easily, and it clogs up very easily, and I would give it a 6 out of 10 because it does the work eventually, and it's not that bad of a machine if for the price and also for the load. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.